Introducing the Cino, a tabletop bean-to-cup coffee machine available in either hand-fill or mains-fed configuration. With its stylish design and easy-to-use push-button interface, the Cino is ideal for small cafes, bars and reception areas. Ingredients are stored in the easily accessible internal containers for coffee beans, milk powder and chocolate. For easy installation, the hand fill option requires no plumbing and can be filled without opening the machine. The extensive coffee menu offers users a variety of choice, and push-button operation means very little staff training is required. The Cino is available in either hand-filled for locations without a water source nearby or mains-fed for non-stop production.